Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting exactly what you need. That's crucial. Click and drag with the mouse to highlight, or hold Shift and press arrow keys to expand a selection precisely. Once you want everything, press Ctrl+A to grab all text in the active window. Make sure the caret is in the correct field before you begin, otherwise you'll copy the wrong content. This first step sets up everything that follows, so confirm visually that the intended text is highlighted. After selection, copy the content so it's ready to paste. Press Ctrl+C, that stores the selection in your clipboard instantly. On some keyboards, you can also use Ctrl+Insert. Learn the alternative if your layout differs. Once copied, you can confirm by briefly pasting into a plain text editor, or, on Windows, open Clipboard History with Win+V to view recent items. This step isolates your data on the clipboard, letting you move it reliably to the next destination. Now paste the copied content into its new location. Place your cursor carefully where you want the insertion, then press Ctrl+V to drop the clipboard contents there. If your keyboard prefers it, Shift+Insert works as an alternative. Once pasted, verify formatting and content. Make minor edits if needed. If you accidentally pasted in the wrong place, immediately press Ctrl+Z to undo. If the paste fails, check that you actually copied the selection, and that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.